Today we celebrate the life and the martyrdom of Saint Maria Goretti. When she was canonized, there were over 250,000 people in St. Peter's Square. She was the daughter of a poor Italian tenant farmer, didn't really learn how to read or write, made her first communion not too long before her death, and she was one of the larger and somewhat backward members of the class. In July of that year, it was a hot afternoon. She was sitting at the top of the stairs mending a shirt. She wasn't even 12 years old, but physically mature. And the cart stopped outside, and an 18-year-old Alessandro got out and ran up the stairs. He seized her and pulled her into the bedroom, and she struggled mightily. She says, "No, God does not wish it. It is a sin. You'll go to hell for it." And then Alessandro began striking at her blindly with the long dagger because he was so angry. So Maria was taken to her hospital. Her last hours were marked by the usual simple compassion of the good, concern about where her mother would sleep, forgiveness of her murderer, and her devout welcoming of Viaticum, her last Holy Communion. She died about 24 hours after the attack, not right away. Alessandro Serenelli was sentenced to 30 years in prison, and he was basically unrepentant and a very surly type. But one night he has a dream of Maria gathering flowers and offering them to him. At that point his life changed, and he was released after 27 years. Oh, what did he do? Did he go to the bar and get drunk? No. The first thing he did was go to Maria's mother and ask forgiveness. Devotion to the young martyr grew, miracles were worked, and in less than half a century she was canonized. At her beatification in 1947, her 82-year-old mother, two sisters, and her brother appeared with Pope Pius XII on the balcony of St. Peter's. 3 years later, at her canonization, 66-year-old Alessandro Serenelli knelt among the 250,000 people and cried tears of joy on the cobblestones of St. Peter's Square. Now that's what you do when you really mean forgiveness. God bless you all. Let us take our example from Maria and be people of great forgiveness. That's really how to imitate Christ. Amen.